Laws.com. Legal Forms Guide.
Form 500 Corporation Income Tax Return. Corporations doing business in Maryland should file their state income taxes using a Form 500. This document can be obtained from the website of the Maryland Comptroller. Step 1. Enter the fiscal year starting and ending dates being filed for if not filing on a calendar year basis. Step 2. Enter your corporation's name, street address, city, state, and zip code. Step 3. Enter your federal employer identification number or the date on which you applied for one. Step 4. Enter the date of your business's organization or incorporation and its business activity code. Step 5. Check the applicable boxes if filing a return documenting a name or address change, a return for an inactive corporation, a first or final filing, or if your fiscal year start and end dates are different from those on your previous year's return. Step 6. Enter your total federal taxable income on line 1. Step 7. Document all additions as instructed on lines 2A through 2H. Enter the sum of lines 1 and 2H on line 3. Step 8. Document your subtractions on lines 4A through 4F. Subtract line 4F from line 3 and enter the difference on line 5. Step 9. If you are a multi-state corporation, skip to Schedule A on the second page to calculate your Maryland apportionment factor. Transfer the result from line 5 of Schedule A to line 6 on the first page. Multiply line 5 by 6 and enter the product on line 7. Otherwise, skip Schedule A and lines 6 and 7. Step 10. Follow the instructions on lines 8 through 16 to determine the amount of your tax liability or refund owed. If the latter and you wish to receive it as a direct deposit, provide your bank account information on line 17. Step 11. Answer all questions in Schedule B on the second page. Step 12. An officer should sign and date the form.
To watch more videos, please make sure to visit Laws.com.